Hello everyone, welcome to Cockett Road. Let's get inside and have a little look around. Hello everyone, my name's Reece Smith and this is my new listing on Cockett Road. On the ground floor we've got two lovely reception rooms and then a fantastic wraparound kitchen diner. To the outside of the property we've also got this lovely driveway leading up to its own private garage parking. As we go up to the first floor we've got three lovely bedrooms, two double size and then a single, and then also you've got a lovely bathroom in here which has been fully decorated throughout. There we go then everyone, that is my property on Cockett Road for you today. If anything that you've seen inside the video is interesting you and you want to get yourself booked in, ring down on the information below or call the office. Love to see you soon. Cheers guys, bye bye.